1. How I make money online at your age. Everyone loves real stories. Even if you're just starting, show the hustle. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share how I make money online at your age, and I am going to give you some stories and tips on how you can do it too, even if you're just starting out. So, let me take you back to where it all started. When I first decided to try making money online, I had no idea what I was doing. My first gig was on platform, and I literally made my first dollar amount by offering your service product. It was a small win, but honestly, it felt huge. It made me believe that this whole online thing could actually work for me. And trust me, that feeling, knowing that you can make money from anywhere, is amazing. But it wasn't always smooth sailing. The first roadblock I hit was feeling completely lost. I didn't know the right tools, I wasn't sure which platforms to trust, and it felt like everyone else was already way ahead. But here's the thing, everyone starts somewhere. I spent time researching, learning from my mistakes, and asking people who were already succeeding. That made all the difference. Then came my big break. It wasn't anything huge, but I got my first big gig sale commission that made me realize this could be real. The moment I got that email, I was like, wow, this is real money. And from that point, I was hooked. It was like the floodgates opened. My confidence grew, and I realized I could do this full time. Another thing that was hard for me in the beginning was managing my time. Working online is different from a 9-to-5 job. You have to be disciplined. I started setting daily goals, blocking off distractions, and taking breaks when I needed them. It was the best way to stay focused and productive. Trust me, you'll need those breaks. Let's be real. Making money online isn't always easy. There are highs and lows. Some days, everything is going great, and you're earning more than you ever thought possible. But other days, it feels like nothing is working, and that's okay. It's part of the journey. I'm not going to lie. I've made mistakes. Lots of them. One time, I wasted a whole week on a project that didn't even make money. But I learned a valuable lesson. Not everything is going to work, but the important part is to keep moving forward. You'll get better with time. Staying motivated can be tough, but here's what keeps me going. My why. I keep reminding myself why I started. Whether it's for financial freedom, learning new skills, or just the ability to work from anywhere, knowing my purpose keeps me on track. One thing that helped me grow was diversifying my income streams. At first I just did one method, but now I've expanded into mention other ways you make money online. Having multiple streams has helped me stay more secure and earn more consistently. I truly believe that everyone should at least try making money online. Whether it's to supplement your income, learn new skills, or gain more freedom, the opportunities are endless. If I can do it at your age, so can you. It's all about taking that first step. If you're thinking about starting, I hope this video has inspired you to take the leap. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if you want me to dive deeper into how I make money online. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Good luck on your journey, and I'll see you in the next video.